Hey guys, so I think this is the first time I've ever reviewed a toothpaste on this channel, and that's solely because I personally suffer from having really sensitive teeth, and I spent tons of time researching online different things that could help with sensitive teeth. Normally when I drink hot coffee or anything that's hot or eat anything that's cold, it really bothers my teeth. It feels sensitive. I compare it as like something being scraped over your teeth, just that sensation, it really hurts. And so I got to the point where I was really tired of that. And so I did tons of research, and I found out that toothpaste that is sold in the USA does not have a specific ingredient that helps to rebuild enamel. And toothpaste outside of the USA is sold with that specific ingredient. So I did some research, found the one that got the best reviews, things like that, and I decided to give it a try. Now, a lot of people were using Apagard Premio for the specific reason that it also helps to whiten your teeth. That was not something that I was really so concerned with, so much as the fact that I wanted something to rebuild the enamel. I got the Apagard Premio. As you can see, it's not a huge tube, but it's also not a really tiny tube. I've been using this for, I'd say, about 3 weeks now, and I've only used about this much of the top portion, so there's still quite a bit left. You don't have to use a ton. I use it twice a day. I just use a little dab on my toothbrush. Someone translated the instructions because they're in Japanese, and it says somewhere on the back that you're supposed to brush for like 3 to 5 minutes at a time, a couple times a day after you eat. And I found that, for one, the packaging is really cool, but of course that's just, you can buy toothpaste that's in cool packaging, but does it work? Aside from my teeth actually feeling less sensitive over the course of 2 or 3 weeks, I've been able to eat a lot more ice cream, which is something that I really like. Aside from that, I've also found that my teeth are getting a lot whiter, and that's just a nice side effect that I wasn't really, like I said, I wasn't concerned with. I was wanting it more for the fact that it helps to rebuild enamel, but my teeth feel great all the time. They feel really smooth all the time. They're a lot whiter, I've noticed, over the course of 3 weeks, and for me that's just a cool extra. But I just wanted to tell you about the Apagard Premio. As you can see, it says on it, it says medical, and then it's got some other words. It's got the ingredient, the high epoxy apatate or something is the ingredient that is not in American toothpaste, which is just crazy because if you read and do a little bit of research on this, you'll find that that's really the ingredient that helps teeth to stay strong and to rebuild enamel and things like that. But if you want it, unfortunately, it's not sold in America. I'm going to put a link in the description to where I got it at a really, I want to say great price, but you're going to pay a bit of a premium to have this because it's not, if you're in America, because it's not sold here. But I think that it's still pretty reasonable considering the fact that it's imported, and I really like the fact that it's lasting. For one, if I have to buy one of these like every 2 months, you know what, that's fine. But I recommend trying it out if you have really sensitive teeth, because it's still a whole lot cheaper than going to the dentist, and that's really what I wanted to avoid, was going to the dentist and having my teeth sealed and all that. My problems really started occurring when I had braces back a few years ago, and so my teeth have been super sensitive since then, and I'm just really happy that I found Apagard Premio, because this is the toothpaste that's working for me. Be sure to check out that link in the description, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys later.